today to show y'all something I got from RBL Products. They sent me some of their tacky netting to hang on my booth wall. I don't have it here behind me because I didn't have enough magnets at the moment, but let me turn you around and show you. We do have it hung on this short wall, the whole length of the long wall here on the booth, and it gets held up by these magnet hooks, and it has little eyelets all along the top to hold it in place. It took let's see, 8 magnets on this side, and actually 8 on this side also, just to run it tight. There's a little bit of a crease right there where it's loose, but this stuff's extremely sticky. So in a paint booth, blowing a car dry, using water base or blowing it off to clean it, you're gonna stir up some dust. And there's other stuff that you can put on your wall, like we have slime on this booth, but it only protects the booth. It doesn't really trap overspray. And this being sticky like a giant tack rag, essentially just catches dirt and sticks it to the wall rather than blowing around in the booth or landing on your panel and just putting more dirt and dust into your panel. They've been really cool to me, sending me stuff to try out, and I figured I'd return the favor by making a video for them on this and letting y'all know how it is and that it actually works. Like, it doesn't stick to the wall and then after a bake cycle peel off because it loses its adhesive, because it doesn't stick to the wall. It hangs on a hook, so it's not going anywhere. I mean, it's the more you can do in a booth to get jobs cleaner and increase productivity in the end result is the better. You know, less buffing, less denibbing, you know, anything helps. And as a painter, we're always fighting the elements of that make a job dirty: dust, contamination, things of that sort. So eliminating any of those at any cost is worth it. And I don't know the price excuse me, the price on this stuff. I will put a part number in a video clip here so you guys can see for yourself what it is. Look them up on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. RBL Products. They're out of Detroit, Michigan, here in the US. Really cool company. They make a lot of different things: detailing products, this tacky netting, a bunch of other stuff, pump sprayers, UV lights, UV putty, a whole range of products they use. So give them a shout, and I really want to thank RBL Products for sending me this to try, and well, not try for the first time because I have used it, but to do a video on it and more in depth to show what I think about it and how it works. So we got this car here ready for clear. Older model Ford Fusion. Nice clean base coat. It's kind of a rough old car, but it works well. Really nice stuff. I'm hyped on it. finished up. Nice and clean. A few little spots and a big rock chip in the back, but we didn't fix it. Rubber came out clean, nice and slick. So yeah, I'm really excited to have this stuff in the booth again. I've honestly missed having it because high production shop like this, where we do quite a lot of work. Anything we can do to help productivity in the booth, we're going to use. So again, thanks to RBL Products for sending this out, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.